Guys, what's up? So today we're going to be making fajita chicken. So for this we will be needing one teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So why don't you put it in? While she's putting that in, I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of oil just to make sure all the spices stick onto the chicken. So while she's putting the spices in, I'm just going to use my hand and mix them all in and make sure all the spices are well on. I have used half kg of chicken breasts and just cubed them, so we have no bones in this as well because breasts are boneless. So now I'm just going to go in with my hand and mix it in. So because we have added oil in this when cooking, we won't need to add oil.
You're good at mixing.
Yeah. So you should be able to see the black pepper everywhere, and some of the chicken turned red because of the red chili powder. So I'm going to put this chicken in a pan and we're going to